Class 10th Mathematics Chapter 4 Quadratic Equation. Topic is nature of the roots. We know that quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Roots of equation are x is equal to minus b plus b square minus 4ac upon 2a and minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. b square minus 4ac, it is called discriminant. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. The roots will be x is equal to minus b plus b square minus 4ac upon 2a and b minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Second case, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. In that case, roots will be minus b upon 2a and minus b upon 2a. In third case, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then roots are not real. Now come to exercise 4.4. See the question number. First part, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 5. b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 3 square minus 4 into 2 into 5. 9 minus 4 to the 8 5 are 40, that is minus 31, less than 0. So roots are not real. See the third part of question first. Two x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 3. b square minus 4ac minus 6 square minus 4 into 2 into 3. 36 minus 24, that is 12 greater than 0. Roots are real and unequal. When the roots are real, we will find the roots of the equation. So x is equal to, roots are x is equal to minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a and minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now putting the value, minus b is minus 6 plus b square minus 4ac is 12 upon 2 into a is 2, minus 6 minus root 12 upon 2 into 2, 6 plus 2 root 3 upon 4, 6 minus 2 root 3 upon 4, 2 common, 3 plus root 3 upon 4, 2 common, 3 minus root 3 upon 4, 2 cancelled it, this 2 cancel it, so therefore roots are 3 plus root 3 upon 2, 3 minus root 3 upon 2 is the answer. Now see the question number second part. Find the value of k. Find k if equation kx x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0 has equal roots. Now see it, k into x, that is kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. A is k, b is minus 2k, c is 6. For equal roots, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now putting the value of b square minus 4ac minus 2k square, 4k into 6, 4k square minus 24k, 4k common, k minus 6 is equal to 0. 4k is equal to 0, k minus 6 is equal to 0, k is equal to 0 upon 4, k is equal to 6. So k is equal to 0 does not exist, because if we put the value of k is 0 in this equation, so it will be 0, 6 will be equal to 0, which is not possible. So therefore k is equal to 6 is the answer. Now see the question number 5. Possible to design rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area is 400 meter square. If so, find its length and breadth. Let length is x meter, breadth is y meter, perimeter is 2 into L plus B. Perimeter is given to you 80 meter. 80 meter, x plus y, 2 cancel it, 40, x plus y is equal to 40, y is equal to 40 minus x. Condition second, area is length into breadth. Area is given to you 400 meters square. Length is x, breadth is y. Putting the value of this y in this equation. So 400 is equal to x into 40 minus x. Multiply inside, it will be 40x minus x square is equal to 400. Now take on this side, x square minus 40x plus 400 is equal to 0. So see, the A is 1, B is minus 40, C is 400. B square minus 4AC. So minus 40 square minus 4 into 1 into 400. So it will be 1600 minus 1600, that is 0. So it is possible situation. It is possible situation. So length and breadth. So x is equal to minus b upon 2a minus b upon 2a, because roots are equal. So minus b is minus 40 upon 2 into a is 1 minus minus 40 2 into 1, that is 40 upon 2, 40 upon 2, 20, 20. Therefore length is 20 meter and breadth is also 20 meter. So this is the answer. So homework is question number 1 second part, question number 2 first part, question 3 and 4 of exercise 4.4. So your this chapter is finished. On next turn we will do chapter number 5, that is arithmetic progression. ठीक है जी.